Smash Engineering.
You need to know that I'm a rider. Tonight we gonna set the...
Welcome to the episode of Smash Engineering. Today we're working on a flimsy garage door. Now, unfortunately, nowhere in my area carries the piece I need, so I'm going to be using this stuff here, which is a 25 gauge fairing channel. It's made for like metal framing, interior of like a metal style building or whatever. But we're going to be using it to fix a 16-foot long door that is folding in the middle, and I'll show you that right now. All right, so we just got back from the parts store, and this is the garage door we're going to be working on. If you come up here, you can see this is under the weight of its own self here. When it opens, it creases. You can see it right here. So let's go inside and see if we can't make our pieces of steel work. I don't know if you've ever seen one of these before, but I have never been able to come up with a use for one of these ratcheting multi things, but my tool set is unfortunately not here, so I'm going to go ahead and use this. We'll put it in fast forward mode, and you can follow along. a little bit of a bind here. I forgot to bring my ratchet set because I had that goofy looking wrench in the car. I thought it would fit in here, but it doesn't. It can't reach in there. So I've said this in one of my previous videos. It's not the wrong tool if it gets the job done. It may not be the most efficient tool, and yes, I am an efficiency person, but if it gets the job done, it gets the job done. So let's see how this will work. No, not bad. It may look goofy, but it'll work. Alright, so very literally, every time you open this garage door, it creases right here. So let's see if this fixes it. Let's go ahead and give her open. I'd say it works. I may go ahead and bolt these pieces together where it overlaps on the outer edge just to add a little more strength, but it's gonna get the job done. So if you're liking what you're seeing, smash that subscribe button for us. Remember to help a neighbor, help someone in need, and as always, thanks for watching.